I always ponder about the freedom democracy has given us. But is freedom being misused by us? I think freedom is not equally distributed. It's still might is right, majority rules minority, haves exploit have-nots, adults oppress children. My job is giving me the scope to probe into the arena of child rights. I have to submit a visual presentation. Let me try it out. I will get a first-hand knowledge of child rights. I decided to meet the never-ending sea of Mumbai humanity to know of their perception about child rights. The business capital of the country, the literate metro, is my testing ground. Malls are the in things in Bombay, and I chose them first to interact with people. I thought of meeting street children too, but I know for sure they won't have an iota of knowledge about child rights. Survey sort of something. Because child rights being a really important part of government put into law that even children have rights now. But the sad thing is no one implements. So in the urban educated class you're trying to see if everybody's aware of it. Obviously we done that. No, nice one. Yeah, there's child rights. Do you think it's for children?
No, I don't know. I'm not into child rights. I'm not into child rights.
No, I don't know much about it because it is not only a law or an act or a social activity. It should be start with the individual as parents. Then they are aware people like social workers and all that. They are into it.
Yeah.
There are government regulations.
Yeah.
As a responsible parent, you have to get more and more aware.
Okay.
You can't say that I was not aware, I was not informed.
Okay.
Because information is coming to your way, but you also have to make the initiative.
Some people think, like any other right, child rights will also be misused.
वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे हैं चाइल्ड राइट्स की वजह से. चिल्ड्रंस आर यूजिंग देयर राइट्स अगेंस्ट द पेरेंट्स और रादर टू गेट द सो कॉल्ड इंडिपेंडेंस.
First of all, you should know this child rights and things like that are very elite concepts. Very few people may be knowing about child rights. It's a really pathetic thing in our country that people do not know about the rights. Leave alone the children, the fundamental rights. The grown-up adults do not know about their fundamental rights.
It is not necessary that he should know that yeah, this is my right and I have to go accordingly to that. Not necessary.
So where the problem lies? It is a problem of the government of India and the state governments. They have not projected or communicated the child rights to the children as well as the parents. They have not done it. They have not done any good propaganda. If at all you know about child rights, that is your knowledge. It's not government's propaganda.
See, for the children future, what is good and bad, parents are knowing. So accordingly, parents do behave with them. At the same time, maybe because of the generation gap and all, children think in different way. That time, Western country children go to court and they acquire their rights, and according to rights they acquire whatever they want. They get it. But India, that concept is not there. India is totally parent and child relation is totally different. So I don't think it is so much necessary in India.
What are the ramifications of child rights, the rights of children are abused or violated?
There are a lot of ramifications. One thing is that child labor. Children are put to work. Now you know, all people know that children are working in the carpet industry, children are working in the match box industry, and children are working in Sivakasi cracker industry and all. I want to know fundamentally the children who are working in advertisement films, commercials, ad commercials, the infants. Recently I saw one film, I don't want to name the film. Okay, I'll name the film, Hey Baby. In that film, one infant is working. Have they taken the permission of the infant? So without the knowledge, it is working. And it is earning money. If you earn money, it is labor. It is not child labor, it's infant labor. Is it not a violation of the right of the child? Without the knowledge, the child grows up, it may not be even knowing that it did that role. So what is the thing? See, if when Salman Khan kills one black bug, they want to crucify him. They want to hang him. What about this violation? It's a human, man. It's a human child. Without the knowledge of the child is put into acting. What are the laws? And the PETA, whatever it is not giving censor to films if you use any animal in the film. Just to use an animal, a dog or a cat also, you have to take permission from PETA. But what about the child? The infant child, to use the child in the film, full length film, they use the child. Did the censor ask about the child right abuse? Why there is double standard? Why animals are respected and why a human being is not respected?
I decided to ask the beneficiaries.
बाल अधिकार के बारे में जानते हो? बाल अधिकार, चाइल्ड राइट.
बाल अधिकार?
हाँ. नहीं. तो नहीं. बाल अधिकार. नहीं मालूम इसके बारे में नहीं. अरे वो कैमरा हटा. Okay.
When rights are unknown, atrocities increase manifold. This tender kid is raped and murdered by inhuman animals. Certain NGOs protect children, but are they very effective? I doubt. After meeting cross-section of people, I have come to a conclusion. Child rights are virtually unknown to most of the Indians, and the lack of knowledge of rights lead to serious problems, including exploitation of children, crimes against them, leading to destruction of them, and in turn the future of the society. Governments and NGOs should take it to the people. If a metro like Bombay is not aware of child rights, how this be expected in the remotest villages in our country? So, for the betterment of the country in future, we should create awareness about child rights in the society at the earliest. When our country is progressing at 8% of growth GDP, it has to match it with social parameters, or the country will face upheaval of oppressed and go the USSR way. We should start at school level. There should be a mandatory subject on child rights, and the Government of India should take the initiative to propagate this through its Information Broadcasting Ministry. And the process should begin now, or else it will be too late.